3. See, your card is automatically coming out like this. Okay, what was your card? 8 of clubs. And now, yeah, this is your card. Thank you. Fright is an impromptu haunted deck. I'm gonna try to find your card, but this time I'm not gonna use my hands. I'm just putting the deck on the card box like this. And now watch the card. I just grab the shadow and pull it out. Watch it. See, your card, the card is automatically, see that? Oh my gosh. Okay, what was your card? Jack of Hearts. And this is Jack of Hearts. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. And it looks just as visual as the gimmick that you can find on the market. There's no switch of the selection. It really is their card. And your in is completely clean. And now, yeah, this is your card.